How to enable sensitive content on Telegram desktop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram desktop. To start the process, open your Safari browser on your iPhone. In the search bar, type in web.telegram.org and hit enter. Then tap on menu in the top left corner and tap on them. From the menu that appears, select settings. Scroll down and tap on the privacy and security. From here, you can find the option to enable sensitive content. Please turn it on. The sensitive content has been enabled. You can disable it by the same process. If you want to have control over the content you receive, consider using private one-on-one chats with specific contacts you trust. This way, you can manage the content you exchange more effectively. In your Telegram settings, you can control who can send you messages, who can see your last seen status, and who can call you. Adjust these settings to enhance your privacy and control over who can interact with you. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.